Welcome to our woodworking project guide. Today, we're exploring some easy mini wood projects that are not only quick to make, but also have the potential for high profits. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, these ideas will inspire you to create beautiful, marketable items that can attract buyers. If you enjoy this content and want to see more woodworking tips and projects, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more creative ideas to life. Now, let's dive into these fantastic mini wood projects. Here are some easy mini wood projects that can quickly sell and offer a good profit margin. Coasters are a popular choice, as they are simple to create using wood slices or small boards. With high demand for unique designs, you can personalize them with engravings or paint, attracting buyers who appreciate custom home decor. Key holders are another great option. Made from small wooden boards and hooks, they are functional and can easily be sold at craft fairs or online. You can add names or inspirational quotes to make them more appealing, allowing for customization that resonates with potential customers. Mini shelves are not only practical, but also decorative. Using small planks of wood, you can create various styles and shapes that cater to different tastes. Their versatility makes them a popular choice for buyers looking to enhance their living spaces. Picture frames are timeless items that offer high markup potential. By using wood strips, you can craft frames suited for various photo sizes. Personal touches such as paint or stain can make them more attractive and unique, increasing their marketability. Plant stands have gained popularity with the rise of indoor gardening. Simple to construct from small wooden boards and dowels, they cater to a trend that shows no signs of slowing down. Customizing their sizes and styles can help you reach a wider audience. Wall art made from scrap wood pieces can be a creative venture. Unique designs like geometric patterns or inspirational quotes can fetch good prices, especially if marketed effectively. This project allows for a lot of artistic freedom and can attract buyers looking for distinctive home accents. Wooden toys are a fantastic option for those looking to tap into the handmade toy market. Using non-toxic paint and small wood blocks, you can create safe and appealing toys for children. These items often have a good profit margin and appeal to parents seeking unique gifts. Wine bottle holders are functional pieces that make great gifts. Made from a simple plank of wood, these holders can be personalized with engravings, making them attractive to buyers looking for unique home decor items. Candle holders are in high demand for home decoration. Using small blocks of wood, you can create various designs that cater to different aesthetics. Their simplicity and elegance can command good prices, especially when paired with quality candles. Jewelry holders are practical and decorative, made from small wooden boards and hooks. They serve a useful purpose while also adding a touch of style to a room. Personalizing these holders with names or designs can increase their appeal to potential buyers. To enhance your selling success, consider marketing locally at craft fairs or farmers markets, as well as online platforms like Etsy or social media. Ensuring your products are well crafted with smooth finishes will enhance their quality, while good packaging can significantly increase perceived value. These projects not only cater to current trends, but also provide a great opportunity for quick sales and high profits. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more great content. Your support means a lot and helps us create more videos like this. See you next time.